Hey everybody, I got a package today. Come and see what I'm unboxing.
Hey S.A.C.C family, how you doing? Kim here. Come check out what I'm making today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share, and click the bell to get all the notifications. Thanks for tuning in. Hi everybody. How y'all doing? Kim here. I wound up getting some packages. So come on in and help me unbox. So my first package is, when y'all see this gold packaging, it's my S.A.C.C accessory. Alright, so dang, do y'all see Queenie here? Oh, it's giving me life. Hey Queenie, how you doing? Anyhow, I hope all of y'all doing well. Alright, let's get into it. So, I wind up getting and ordering some stuff for my S.A.C.C accessory, because my lips gotta be popping. Alright, so let's get into this gold package. Let's put this over here. Ooh, come through, S.A.C., come through. It says reapply. This one is called Whisper. I guess it's one of the new colors. Oh, I love the packaging. And I can't smell the smell because I have. But this is a beautiful color. Do y'all see it? Oh, trying to get y'all to see it. Such a beautiful color. It says accessory. Thank you for your purchase. Shop accessory on Facebook and IG. Always reapply. Sure. And then you can visit me. She gives a little QR code. Love it, love it, love it, sis. Alright. So this is my invoice. I don't need to see that. And so every package, every lip gloss, it comes with one of these, and on the back it tells you all the ingredients listed. I'm just gonna go through some things. It got coconut oil, jojoba, vitamin E. It has argan oil, which is antioxidant for protecting and nourishing and anti-aging. Jojoba oil is natural conditioner for the skin. Sweet almond oil boosts collagen production, and it also prevents it also helps protect against UV damaging, and some apricot kernel oil. So it says all of these ingredients all here and what they are good for. Great information, great information. So I already showed you this color. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna open up everything. Oh, my sis know purple my favorite. So look, can y'all see that? A little bit. It is purple color. No, I think this is my own special color. I just want to put it on. through. You see that shine? Do y'all see it? It's so nice. Yes, yes. Oh. Tastes like coffee. It tastes good. Accessory, you cannot go wrong, baby. Oh, that's yummy. I like that. That is yummy. And if y'all like the tunes that's playing, it's GLS. I have his information. My friend GLS. I have his information in the description. And then this one is clear. Love it. Accessory. Nice and crystal clear. So just gonna have the lips popping. Ooh. Ooh, it smells. Ooh, it smells yummy. I'm liking my coffee. I'm liking my purple. Oh my god. I need a tissue. Yes. So let me just put this here so that y'all can see her information. Let's see if I can. Nope. Dang. Well, stay right there. Stay. All right. So I'm gonna put these back here so y'all can see the colors. I'm gonna take this beautiful, my favorite purple color off. So I can try this other color. Ooh, this is so pretty. Ooh, it's so smooth. Going on the lips. Oh my goodness. Oh, do y'all see that shine? Oh, I just need to reapply. Because I gotta make sure I do the top. Ooh, do you see that? I like that color. It gives me a nice little glimmer. Yes. Over so y'all can see what I received. Ooh, do y'all see that? Hey, how you doing? Well, this is what I wanted to get from my S.A.C.C accessory. I love me some accessory cosmetics. She has lip balm for the gents or even for the ladies, and lip glosses, because you know your lips got to be popping. Y'all have a nice one, and I'm S.A.C.C. Your Sweetarts Custom Creations. Did my little unboxing for my sister accessory. Please come and support and want to see her on Instagram and Facebook. And you must always remember, reapply. Y'all have a good one. Bye bye now. Peace.